So this is the Longacre Digital Elite Inflator Tool. So as far as using it, you put this onto the Schrader valve, you'll thread this onto the Schrader valve by turning the red knob. Once you got it onto the Schrader valve and tight, you'll turn on the gauge. From here, it'll be defaulted at PSI. If you wanted to change the units to some type of a metric unit, you simply click the units button. So again, it defaults at PSI, which is what we're mostly using. So from there, we'll screw this onto the Schrader valve. So that's good and tight now. We can turn the gauge on and then depress the core open with this black knob. You can see that this shock has roughly 197.5. So like I said before, if you go halfway in, and then now if we want to fine tune it, say I'm trying to get to 170. Now I'm at 170. And then now we can open this up. That closes the Schrader valve off in the shock. So now the shock, even though this is losing a little pressure there, the shock is closed off. It's not letting any pressure out of there. And now we can take it off of the Schrader valve.